Hi everybody, welcome back to Jenny's Random. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is fun here. And if you're not new here, hey gang, and welcome back. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be planning in my Happy Planner Classic dashboard layout. It's already Monday the 26th, so I'm behind schedule, but I did want to hop on and share this week's layout just because I think it's going to come out so pretty, as I always think. Today I'm going to be planning with some printables I got off of Etsy, and I'm excited about it, as I always am. It's going to be a Watch Me Work style video, but before we get there, let me just show you how the stickers we'll be using this week. So I picked up this sticker kit from Etsy, and the paper looks a little crinkled or rolled up because I tried to load it in my cutting machine and it cut some stickers but not all of them, so I just have to hand cut this week. But this is a blue pretty sticker kit, so I'm excited to use this. I also picked up this kit because I really like the blue in this washi. So I really want to see what I could come up with using this washi tape. And then it had these nice little pictures here, and I love them. And looking at this, I'm not sure how I'm going to make this all work on the dashboard, but I guess we'll see how it comes out when I get the stickers laid down. And then I also printed out some dolls that I have from some clip art I purchased way back when. You guys have seen these dolls before. I've used them in other planner layouts. Hopefully this paper works out. This is glossy. I typically don't use glossy paper because it's difficult to write on. I have to use a Sharpie to write on these. So we will see how it all comes out. I'm not feeling super chatty, so this is going to be a Watch Me Work style video if I haven't mentioned it already. So without further ado, let's get started.
goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something.
All right, y'all, here's what we have. When I say this kit, this gave me so much trouble. I don't care for this paper at all, but I have a whole pack of it, so I have to use it. But this came out stunning. I say that about every one of my spreads, I feel like. But this came out so nice. Oh my goodness, so full. I threw a couple stickers in here from my a sticker book, a faith sticker book that I have. It's called The Peace Within from the Happy Planner. This was one of my favorite faith books, and it's still, I mean, it's still useful. And I done picked this thing clean, all right? Use as much as I could out of this sticker book, and it still is the gift that keeps on giving. Anyway, we're not here about this. I'll link it below anyway. But this came out so pretty. I mean, it's a pretty printable. It really is. But, child, this gave me trouble. Like, I think some of the stickers ain't laying only because, and it's only the ones that I cut with my Cricut. They started lifting when they were still on the paper. So I think, you know, the air got to it. But, you know, it still came out nice. The stickers, this paper doesn't smudge. So if you are using this for, like, I don't know what you can use it for. If you're scrapbooking and you don't need to write on it, it's perfect. It seems like the ones that I cut out by hand, those are sticking and laying down perfectly. These guys here, they're laying down nice. But anyway, I'm really happy with the way this came out. We're not here for a paper review. I love the way this came out, and I hope you guys did too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I